Hi, so this is B, and this is Emma, and this is our official
burping contest.
Burping contest, yes.
First burping contest.
Indeed.
Okay.
So the rules are, you have to have one full Pepsi, and you are allowed to only take 3 sips, and then, yeah.
Okay, so she's gonna go first.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Here
First round.
1 sip.
You have to do this with me.
Oh, right. 2 sips.
Gotta feel it. Okay, you ready?
Okay, ready?
Ow! I win! Yay!
I think I won that one. How do you even burp?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Round
Second
2.
round.
Okay.
Ooh. First sip.
1 sip.
Yep. And she forfeited. It's coming out her nose.
Oh, I'm fucking burp!
Why is it coming out your nose?
Oh, dude. Oh, that fucking hurt.
Third round.
Round 3.
First sip. Second sip. Third sip. You see, okay, I have to go now.
Wait for it. It's gonna come.
Mm-hmm.
Burp. Oh, looks like I won that round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Still waiting for it. It looks like you're gonna puke. Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna puke. Okay.
Round 4. First sip. Second sip. Okay, I have to go.
You're so gross.
I'm good at this stuff, aren't I?
Burp.
Final round, because I'm almost out of Pepsi. One sip for me. Second sip for me.
That's all I'm ever gonna get.
Yeah. Alright.
Bye.
Hi guys, it's us.
And
it's
then
me.
the end. Okay.
We wanted to ask you to vote. Who do you think should have won? Me or Emma?
Me. Because,
No,
I mean,
me.
like, it shot out my nose. How can that not be more amazing than burping? Like,
Excuse me. A couple of times I thought I was gonna puke there, so that has to count for something. So yeah, if you want us to make more videos like this too of us messing around, you should tell us. All right, bye.
because we're stupid. Bye.